Okay, man, we got a club car here. The battery ain't charging. The OBC's bad on it. The relay clicks, but the battery don't charge. So I'm gonna show you how to change the OBC. First thing you do is take this cover off that sits on there. 10mm socket. Takes one bolt off. The OBC wire is right here. Ground wire. And what I would do is you got a bolt there and a bolt there. Just loosen it up so it's slotted. And your main ground from the OBC goes right here. 13mm socket or a wrench. Alright, we'll take that out. Alright, on the back side here, got your plug. And then you got this unplugs off the OBC, and then you got this 6-pin harness. And then all you want to do is pick it up. Actually, want to push down, and then you got this wire here. Hey, man, there it is. It's off. Just like that. Charger clicks, but it didn't charge. Car's still red. Alright, pretty simple fix, man. If the car don't run and you want to bypass the OBC, all you would have to do is take your paper clip and stick it inside the blue and white wire here. So a paper clip and the blue and white wire like this. And then if the car runs, you know the OBC is bad. So what you would do, you would have voltage going in here and coming out here. Normally is how it goes. All right, simple as that, man. Pretty simple. All right. Stay tuned, man. Always remember, before you do any unbolting the onboard computer or anything, always take a main battery wire off to kill the circuit. That way you don't fry nothing if you touch something wrong. All right, man. Stay tuned, man.